Alright, this video is to demonstrate a propane torch stand or stabilizer. I made this a couple years ago because I was uncomfortable with how unstable the torches were. I mean, you can put them on a flat surface and they'll stand up, but the slightest little knock will topple them over. And the idea of having a flammable or explosive canister fall and break and start a fire or explode or whatever was not something I was happy with, and thought I would see if I could figure out a solution to it. So I took a simple deli container, which you would get at a Chinese restaurant when you order a pint of wonton soup. The lid makes the bottom of it, and then you simply cut out a hole in the bottom of the container. The idea is to make the hole just big enough to squeeze the canister through it so it holds the propane tank snugly. So you can see this is a snug fit here. And if I try to knock it over, I mean, I could knock it over, but it's reasonably stable now. And I feel comfortable just setting it down on the table now without knocking it over. So I thought that I'd share this tip for anyone who was interested in doing the same.